Fighting hate, building a better world. ADL leads the fight to build communities of respect. ADL is there to assist community leaders, government officials, educators, and individuals with unequaled expertise. Just as importantly, our award-winning education programs help prevent hate in the future. ADL leads the fight to ensure rights for all. ADL leads the fight for justice for all in the courts, the public schools, the legislatures, and the public square. ADL leads the fight to mobilize action. Our ongoing relationships with local, national, and world leaders make ADL a preeminent force in shaping a just society. ADL leads the fight in the face of global threats. The menace of Iran, terror plots against the United States, help ADL fight for a better world wherever you are.